Good morning, class. Good morning to everyone. Come back to my class. Welcome everyone to my class. We have completed the previous chapter, that is chapter number 11. That was a poem, The Donkey and I Had a Little Pony. Class, today we will be moving forward to the next chapter, that is chapter number 12 in English Marigold. And the name of the chapter is The Milkman's Cow. I hope you understand what do we mean by milkman. Milkman means a person who sell milk. And I hope you know what is cow. Cow it's a pet animal. It's a pet animal which we domesticate or we kept at in our home for milk. Okay, students, the milkman's cow. Now today we are going to study this. We are going to learn this story. Let us see what is given in this story and what we get a lesson, what message is being conveyed through this lesson. इस lesson के through हमें क्या message दिया गया है हम बच्चों को या हमें क्या करना चाहिए. Okay. Now everyone, if you are ready, kindly please show me your thumb that if you are ready with the next chapter, that is the milkman's cow. Students, let me read out the step by step. Let me explain you. The milkman's cow. It's the name of the chapter. The milk, the milkman's cow was in a bad mood. It sat in the middle of the road and refused to move. The cow of the milkman. The cow of the milkman was in a bad mood. What do you mean by bad mood now? Here, let me write down milkman. Students, along with the explanation, come let us see the hard words also. Milkman, a person who sells milk. A person who sells milk is called milkman. Second, what do you mean by mood? What do you mean by mood? State of mind, avastha. State of mind. State of mind in English meaning. It's the English meaning. One day, what happened? One day, what happened? The milkman cow. The cow of the milkman was in a bad mood. In a bad mood. यानी कि वो बहुत बुरी अवस्था में था. Yes, he sat in the middle of the road and refused to move. The cow of the milkman was in a bad mood. He was not in a good mood. Okay, or the cow was not feeling well. Might be we can say an animal is in a bad mood whenever where it is in a bad mood. Students, ध्यान से सुनिएगा. Animal comes into bad mood when they are tired or when they get hungry. Okay, we have learned in our previous chapter the donkey. The donkey was not moving. Means here what we come to know that कोई भी जानवर है अगर वो बैड मूड है, अगर अच्छी अवस्था में नहीं है, तो उसका रीजन दो ही हो सकता है, या तो वो थका हो या भूखा हो या कोई बीमार हो. Right? Show me your thumb if it is right. Yes. Yeah, it is right. Fine. Now, once again, the milkman's cow was in a bad mood. It was not in a good condition or in good mood. It sat in the middle. It sat in the middle. Middle sat in the middle means center. It sat in the middle of the road and refused to move. What happened one day? The milkman cow was sitting in the middle of the road. Here, this is your cow. ये आपका cow है, and here this is rod. What is the rod? And this is your cow. Okay, students, look carefully. Yes, this is your cow, and it sat in the middle of the road. The milkman cow was not in a good mood. It was in a bad mood, and he sat in the middle. It sat in the middle of a rod. The milkman begged the cow to get up. The milkman begged means requested. Begged का मतलब होता है request करना. Okay, the milkman requested or begged the cow to get up. Get up. Don't sit in the middle of the road. The milkman, the person who is selling milk, he is saying the cow, get up. Don't sit here. This is the rod. This is middle of the rod. Come aside. Come in one side. Don't sit in the middle of the rod. The children are waiting for their milk to help them grow strong. Yes, I am a milkman. I used to sell milk. Yes, the milkman is a person who used to sell milk, and milk is being drunk or used to be drink by the children, and they grow strong. दूध पीने से बच्चे strong होते हैं. ये दूध वाला अपने गाय से कह रहा है कि don't sit in the middle of the road. Get up. I have to give milk to the children so that the children can grow strong. Please get up. He pleaded. What do you mean by pleaded? Pleaded, again, the word pleaded means requested. Here, look here, students. Pleaded. Pleaded. Pleaded means requested. Anugrah karna. Requested. Yes. He pleaded. Yachana karna. Yachana karna. He pleaded. Requested the cow. Get up, please. I have to give milk to the children, those who are drinking milk, so that they can grow up strong. Yes. Now let us see. He pulled and tugged. Pulled ka matlab, what do you mean by pulled? Now look here. Students, pull means to use force. Number 4, pulled. To use force to move something. To move something. Students, look at the board. What do you mean by pulled? Pulled means force. To use force to move something. किसी चीज को हिलाने के लिए अपने बल का प्रयोग करना. Okay. He pulled and tugged and prayed. What do you mean by tug? Tug means to pull something hard. किसी चीज को जोर से खींचना. To pull something hard is called tug. I will send you all the word meanings, whatever being taught to you in this class. Here, once again, from the beginning, one day what happened? The milkman cow was in a bad mood. It was not in a good mood. He sat in the middle of the road. The milkman and refused to go, refused to move. मना कर दिया कि वो वहां से नहीं हिलेगा. He will not move. Means the cow is not going to move because he was not in a good mood. The milkman begged and the cow to get up. The milkman asked the cow to get up. He requested the cow to get up and move aside so that he can give milk to the children, those who are drinking milk, so that they can grow up strong. Yes, the children are waiting. He said to the cow that the children are waiting. They want to drink your milk so that they can grow fast. Now, he pleaded, please get up. He pleaded. He requested the cow to get up, but the cow was not in a bad mood. No, he was in a bad mood. The cow was in a bad mood and he refused to move. He refused to move. What do you mean by refused? Refused means rejected. The cow rejected to move from the middle of the rod. He pulled and tugged and prayed. He pulled and tugged. Tug का मतलब होता है झटका मारना. Tug of war. आपने देखा होगा रस्सी से दोनों तरफ से खींचते हैं ना. Tug of war. A game is there. Tug of war. That is what we call tug. Tug का मतलब खींचना, झटके से खींचना. Okay. They prayed, they requested, they tugged and pulled, but they were not able to move the cow. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. But that day, the cow was not in a good mood, so it was not going anywhere that day. Yes. Now, along came a policeman. What do you mean by policeman? A member of police force. A member of police force. Yes, that is called policeman. Along came a policeman, his buttons and buckles gleaming bright. What do you mean by gleaming? Buckles का मतलब होता है बेटा. What do you mean by buckles? Look carefully. Buckles means a piece of metal at the end of a belt. At the end of a belt. Belt के एक कोने हिस्से पे मेटल लोहे का लगा हुआ चीज रहता है, उसको हम बकल बोलते हैं. बेल्ट में आपके स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म के बेल्ट में होगा एक लोहे का. Yes, that is called buckle. And what do you mean by button? Button means a piece of plastic. A piece of plastic that we use to use for fastening our clothes. हम अपने कपड़े को बंद करने के लिए एक प्लास्टिक का सामान यूज करते हैं. Things, plastic, piece of plastic. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Button. यहाँ I have used here. See, you can see in my shirt there is a button. So along came a policeman, his buttons and buckles gleaming bright. After the milkman, a policeman, he was coming. and his buckles and what buttons were gleaming. Gleaming means shining. Gleaming, look here, gleaming. Number 5, gleaming. Gleaming means shining, चमक रहा था, shining. Gleaming means shining. It was shining. It was shining. Yes, the buckles and the button of the policeman was shining. He said, twirling his long mustache. What do you mean by mustache? Mustache means the hair above the lips. लिप्स के जस्ट ऊपर जो बाल उगे रहते हैं ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड मुस्टैच. मूछ को बोलते हैं मुस्टैच. किस ट्विरलिंग. ट्विरलिंग का मतलब राउंड राउंड करना, अपने मूछों को ऐसे ऐसे राउंड ट्विल करना. ट्विल करते हुए उसने कहा, he said, twirling his long mustache, I will show you how to do it right. इसको किसके साथ मतलब how to pull, how to move this cow aside. I am going to tell you how to move a cow. Let me help you. Let me do this. The policeman proudly said. The policeman said his button and buckles were gleaming, means shining. Okay. The policeman said to the milkman, he said, twirling his, अपने मूछ को ऐसते हुए उसने कहा, राउंड राउंड करते हुए कहा कि मैं तुम्हें करके दिखाता हूँ कि यहाँ से गाय को कैसे हटाना है. The policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. What happened? Now, two persons. At the first, who pulled the cow? The milkman was pulling the cow. Now, how many persons are there? Two persons. The milkman and the policeman, both of them, they started pulling and tugging. Pulled, tugged and prayed. They pulled it. उन्होंने खींचा, जोर से झटके से खींचा, उससे रिक्वेस्ट किया. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. The cow was not moving that day because that day the cow was not in a good mood, so he was not moving. Along came a grocer. What do you mean by grocer, students? What do you mean by grocer? A person who sells food items. Grocer का मतलब होता है a person who sells food items. Look here, students. Grocer. Grocer means a person who sells food item. A person who sells food item is called grocer. Along came a grocer with bags of potatoes and peas. I hope you know what do you mean by potatoes. The vegetable that we use in our daily life. Vegetable जो हम daily प्रयोग करते हैं. Potato means आलू. Yes. Along came a grocer with bags of potatoes and peas. Now, while policeman and the milkman was pulling the cow, a grocer came with bag of potato and peas. Peas means मटर. मटर अपने मटर और आलू के साथ एक सब्जी वाला आया, एक food item बेचने वाला आया. Grocer. He said, I will move this cow with the greatest of ease. Now here the grocer, he said that, oh, I can easily remove or move this cow from the center of the road to the side of the road. He said, I can do it easily. I can help you, or I can easily move the cow. Now, the grocer, the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. The same thing they have done. Now, how many persons? 3 persons. Milkman, policeman, grocer. Grocer means sabji wala. We can say a person who sells food items. Food items बेचने वाले को हम grocer बोलते हैं. Listen carefully. Now, how many persons are there? 3 persons. Milkman, policeman, and grocer. 3 of them. They pulled. They tugged. Tug means झटके से खींचना. Okay. Pulled का मतलब खींचना होता है और tug का मतलब क्या होता है? Tug means झटके से. और prayed का मतलब request करना. Now, the milkman, the policeman, and the grocer, they pulled, they tugged, and they prayed, they requested. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. That day, the cow was not moving from that place. That cow was not in a good mood. So that day, the cow was not moving anywhere. Because now 3 of them, 3 लोग मिलकर भी गाय को वहां से हटा नहीं सके. Now let us see. Along came a wrestler. What do you mean by wrestler? Now students, look here, wrestler. What do you mean by wrestler, students? I hope you know. One who fights. वन हु फाइट, ऐसा व्यक्ति जो फाइट करता हो, फाइट्स करता हो. Yes, that is called wrestlers. One who fights. Along came a wrestler. Wrestlers means पहलवान को भी बोल सकते हैं हम. क्या बोलेंगे हम? पहलवान. Yes. In Hindi we call wrestler as a पहलवान. Okay, students, look carefully, listen carefully. Along came a wrestler. Wrestler, his muscles gleaming in the sun. Again, what do you mean by gleaming? Gleaming means shining. All his muscles, you know, this is called muscles. All his muscles and body were shining in the sun, gleaming in the sun. Means पहलवान होगा तो बिल्कुल हट्टा कट्टा और तगड़ा होगा, right ना? His muscles and body were gleaming. Gleaming means shining in the sunshine. उसका body जो है सूर्य की किरणों के पढ़ने की वजह से उसकी पूरी बॉडी जो थी शाइन कर रही थी. एंड व्हाट ही सेड आई हैव द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ 10 horses, so this should be fun. Now the wrestler, the pahalwan, the wrestler, he said, policeman, milkman, grocer, move aside, I will do it easily because I have the strength, the power of 10 horses. wrestler ने कहा I have the power, strength of 10 horses, 10 घोड़ों का बल मेरे पास है, मेरे पास 10 घोड़ों का बल है. So this could be fun to me. ये मेरे लिए एक मजाक होगा कि मैं एक गाय को हटा रहा हूं. मेरे पास तो 10 घोड़ों का बल है, मैं आसानी से इसको हटा सकता हूं. Now let us see next. Now how many person? 4%. The milkman, the wrestler, the grocer, and the policeman. 4 of them. What they do? They pulled, they tugged, and they requested, prayed. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. But the cow was not moving that day because the cow was in a bad mood. वो अच्छे मूड में नहीं था, वो वहां से हिल नहीं रहा था. Along came the ice cream man. I hope you know what do you mean by ice cream man? A person who sell ice cream. Ice cream का मतलब होता है solid frozen dessert, फ्रिज किया हुआ मिठाई. That is called फ्रिज किया हुआ, frozen dessert. English meaning frozen dessert. Ice cream का English meaning, what do you mean by English meaning of ice cream? It will be frozen dessert, not desert, dessert. D-E-S-S-E-R-T, dessert. Jingling his card. Cool down, cool down. It can be too hard. It can't be too hard. It was a hot day and along came a ice cream man and what he was jingling means अपनी कार्ड में घंटी बांधता हुआ, जिंगलिंग करता हुआ, घंटी को बजाता हुआ आ रहा था. एंड ही सेड कूल डाउन पुलिसमैन, मिल्कमैन, ग्रोसर एंड द रेसलर, कूल डाउन, कूल डाउन. इट कांट बी टू हार्ड. ये इतना मुश्किल तो नहीं लगता है. कूल डाउन, कूल डाउन, इट्स नॉट दैट हार्ड. नाउ द आइसक्रीम मैन, द रेसलर, द ग्रोसर, द पुलिसमैन and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. Yes, what happened? Now how many person? 5%. Milkman, wrestler, policeman, grocer, ice cream man. 5 persons together. They were what? Pulling, tugging, and they requested. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. That day, the cow was not moving from that particular place because the cow was not in a good mood. Yes. Along came a little boy. Now, along came a little boy. He began to grind. Grind का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by grind? Students, look here. Grind. Grind का मतलब, what do you mean by grind? Grind means giving a smile. Smile. मुस्कुराना. Grind means smile. Hello. Yes. Grind. Grind means smile. Grind means smile. Smiling. Look here, students. Grind. Grind means smile. He gave a smile to everyone. Along came, अब एक छोटा बच्चा आया, उसने मुस्कुराते हुए सबको अपनी मुस्कुराहट दिखाई. And he was smiling because 5 persons, 5 लोग, they were using their force, अपना बल दिखा रहे थे. They were showing their force. He said, this grown up, look at the mess that they are in. They are in. Look at the mess. What do you mean by mess, students? Now look here. Here we can say mess, the state of having problems or troubles. He said, उस बच्चे ने कहा, दैट चाइल्ड सेड, लुक अप दिस मैस, लुक अप दिस ग्रोन अप पर्सन, इन बड़े लोगों को देखिए क्या हो रहा है, लग रहा है कि ये बड़े परेशानी में है। ये बड़े लोग मीन्स हु, मिल्कमैन, रेस्लर, पुलिसमैन, ग्रोसर एंड आइसक्रीम मैन। लुक एट दिस ग्रोन अप पर्सन, ये बड़े लोग हैं, ये बड़े हो गए हैं। लुक अप, मुझे लग रहा है कि दे आर हैविंग सम मैस, मीन्स सम प्रॉब्लम, उनके पास कोई प्रॉब्लम है, झंझट भरा होने की स्थिति। उनको देख के ऐसा लग रहा था कि कोई उनका, मैस का मतलब होता है बेटा झंझट भरा होने की स्थिति, मीन्स द स्टेट ऑफ हैविंग प्रॉब्लम्स और ट्रबल्स। नाउ इट इज नॉट सच अ डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम, the little boy said to the 5 grown up person, grown up person मतलब बड़े, जो बड़े लोग थे वहां पे, बड़े लोग मीन्स the milkman, the grocer, the policeman, the the ice cream man, and whom? And ice cream man. Okay, these 5 of them, they were what? Pulling the cow. वो cow को खींच रहे थे, टक कर झटके से हटाना चाह रहे थे बीच सड़क से, but they were not able to do. The little boy grind, smile करता हुआ उसने कहा, मुझे लग रहा है ये बड़े लोग जो है ना, इनको ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, they are facing some problem. And he said it is not such a difficult problem. उसने कहा ये कोई बड़ी समस्या नहीं है. To move a cow, it's not a difficult work or difficult problem. Now what did the child did? I learned it in the 2nd class that human being eat rice and wheat and cows eat grass. The small little boy, he said that policeman uncle policeman uncle दूध वाला भैया, milkman, I learned in my class 2. In class 2 I learned. उस बच्चे ने कहा कि मैंने कक्षा 2 में पढ़ा था that human beings यानी मनुष्य rice, चावल, गेहूं, दाल, रोटी खाते हैं. Yes, they eat. Human beings eat rice, pulses and wheat. And what does the animal eat? The animal eat green grass. We have learned in our 2nd chapter. 2nd chapter में हमने ये पढ़ा था कि सेकेंड क्लास में हमने ये पढ़ा था कि जानवर जो होते हैं, द एनिमल्स, दे यूज टू ईट ग्रास, ग्रीन ग्रास. नाउ व्हाट डिड द चाइल्ड डू? ही हेल्ड आउट अ शीप ऑफ टेस्टी ग्रीन. शीप का मतलब बंडल होता है. शीप, इट्स अ कलेक्टिव नाउन. ढेर सारे घास को, ग्रास को इकट्ठा करके अगर हम एक जगह रखेंगे, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड शीप. ही हेल्ड आउट अ शीप ऑफ टेस्टी ग्रीन. The cow began to chew. Chew का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by chew? To bite something continuously. Chew means to bite, चबाना. To bite something, yes, continuously. Here, what do you mean by sheep? The cow, the little boy went and brought a sheep of एक मुट्ठा कहेंगे हम, yes, a sheep of grass, and he green grass, tasty grass, and he started giving to the cow. The cow started chewing. Chewing means eating. The cow started eating the grass. Now, he slowly led her to the side. Slowly, धीरे धीरे करके, जैसे जैसे बच्चा घास को आगे घिसकाता गया, काव उस जगह से धीरे धीरे घिसकते हुए किनारे पे आ गई. For he knew what to do. Yes, the child knew what to do, how to move the cow from that place. उस जगह से काव को कैसे मूव कराना है, कैसे हटाना है, ये बच्चे को अच्छे से पता था. So what he did, he started giving the green grass to the cow. Next, the grocer clapped, the policeman twirled his stick in joy. Yes, the grocer, सब्जी बेचने वाला जो था, he started clapping. Yes, he started clapping in joy, खुशी से कि छोटे से बच्चे ने कर दिखाया. हम 5 लोगों अपना बल दिखा रहे थे और इस बच्चे ने अपनी चतुराई दिखाई, cleverness. Yes, so the place where force doesn't work, your cleverness can work. तो जहाँ पे बुद्धिमानी से काम आ सकती है, वहां पे अपने बल का प्रयोग नहीं करना चाहिए. राइट स्टूडेंट? यस, जहां पे हम अगर बुद्धिमानी से कोई काम कर सकते हैं, इफ वी आर एबल टू डू अ वर्क विथ आवर क्लेवरनेस, व्हाई टू यूज आवर फोर्स? हम अपना बल दिखाने की क्या जरूरत है जहां हम बुद्धिमानी से कोई काम कर सकते हैं. यस, सो एवरीवन, द पुलिसमैन twirled his stick. पुलिस वाले के, द पुलिसमैन वाज हैविंग अ स्टिक, डंडा होता है, वो खुशी के मारे अपना डंडा हिला रहा था. विद जॉय, द ग्रोसर वाज क्लैपिंग. व्हाट? द रेसलर ग्राइंड, द रेसलर, द पहलवान वाज स्माइलिंग. यस, वो मुस्कुरा रहा था कि मेरे पास 7 घोड़ों का बल है, मैंने इस गाय को नहीं हटाया, छोटे से बच्चे ने गाय को हटा दिया. नाउ लेट अस सी. द आइसक्रीम मैन whooped at the cleverness of the boy. What do you mean by whoop, students? Whoop means a loud A loud cry of joy and excitement. The ice cream man started shouting in excitement. खुशी से ललकारना. Okay, ललकारना बोलते हैं. Whoop means ललकारते हुए उसने कहा, wow, a small child have done a beautiful work with his cleverness. Yes, now the milkman happily clatter. Clatter का मतलब होता है clatter. What do you mean by clatter? Clatter means sound of rubbing. दो चीज को जब हम रगड़ते हैं ना ऐसे करके, when we rub two things, yes, can you hear? आवाज आ रही है? Yes, can you hear one sound? This is called clattering. तो बाल्टी, दूध वाले की जो बाल्टी होती है वो दोनों बाल्टी को क्लैटर कर रहा था, बाल्टी से बजा रहा था. Yes, one small boy have done it. Yes, clattered. Yes. Now his pail. What do you mean the pail? Pail means bucket. Students, यहाँ पे एक वर्ड यूज हुआ है clatter his pail. Pail का मतलब होता है bucket. Bucket of the milkman. Bucket of the milkman. Students, वो दूध वाला जो है अपनी बाल्टी, जो बाल्टी ले रखा था ना उसने, वो he started clattering his bucket. Yes. Now, being kind and loving is best, for force and strength can fail. Yes, that's what I told you. Such a situation, एक ऐसे सिचुएशन जहां पे हम अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करके काम को कर सकते हैं, तो अब बल लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Yes, students, from this lesson we get a message that, yes, we get a message that the place where we can use our brain, we should use our brain, not our force. जो काम बुद्धिमानी से हो सकती है वहां बल का प्रयोग नहीं करना चाहिए. Now students, I hope you have understand the story. I will repeat the story again. मुझे तो मजा आया and I will repeat it again. Yes, I will repeat the story again tomorrow. Fine. Now it's your turn to ask question. Thank you very much.